we are doing location of roots. Now let's do some more questions and then we will discuss after that case number 3. Let us do this question. If both roots of x square plus 2k minus 1 into x plus k square minus 3 is equal to 0 are greater than k, then find interval of k in which it lies. Now the quadratization is given. It is saying that both roots of this equation are greater than a number k. Then we have to find the interval in which k lies. So what is the case? If both roots, let's say this is alpha and this is beta, then both roots are greater than a number k. That means k must be this side. That means graph will be like this. Graph will be like this, or it may be like this. So it is of case which one? I told you two cases. In the first case, both roots are less than a number k. In the second case, both roots are greater than a number k. In this case, first case will be what? First case will be d must be greater than or equal to 0, and second case will be what? Second case will be AFK will be positive, and third case will be what? Minus b by twice a will be greater than k. These were the three cases. Now we have to solve these three cases. After solving these three cases, we have to take intersection between all these three cases. So let's solve first d greater than or equal to 0. So this is what? B square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. And if we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will get what? A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2k minus 1 and c is equal to k square minus 3. ABC is this one. If we compare this quadratization with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then ABC will be this one. Now substitute here. So b is what? 2k minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a is what? 1 into c is what? K square minus 3. This must be greater than or equal to 0. Now simplify this one, expand this one. So it will be 4k square plus 1 minus 4k, and then it will be minus 4k square plus 12 greater than or equal to 0. This one and this one cancels out. So it will be what? It will be minus 4k plus 13 greater than or equal to 0. That means 4k will be less than or equal to 13. That means k will be less than or equal to 13 by 4. This is the answer for case 1. Now we have to solve the second case. Fx is what? Fx is this one. Fx is x square plus 2k minus 1 into x plus k square minus 3. A is what? A is 1 already. A is equal to 1. So A, we have to substitute what? AFK must be greater than 0. That means A is 1. A is 1, and here in place of x we have to substitute k. So it will be what? 1 into, it will be k square plus 2k minus 1 into k plus k square minus 3, it will be greater than 0. Now simplify this one. So this will be k square plus 2k square minus k and plus k square minus 3 greater than 0. So it will be what? 4k square minus k minus 3 greater than 0. Now find out its roots. Its roots will be what? Its Find out its roots. K square minus k minus 3 is equal to 0. So k will be what? 1 plus minus of under root. B square minus 4ac divided by 2a by discriminant method. So it will be what? It will be 1 plus minus of 7 divided by 8. That means one root will be 2 and other root will be minus 2 by minus 3 by 4. Other will be minus 3 by 4. That means factor of this one will be what? K minus 2 into k plus 3 by 4 greater than 0. Now divide by 4. So answer will be what? Minus infinity to minus 3 by 4 union 2 to infinity. I told you how to solve this inequality in the previous videos. So you know this one, solving this type of quadratic inequality. Now solve the third case. Third case is what? Minus b by twice a must be greater than k. So b is what? This is this third case. We are solving third case. That means minus b by twice a will be greater than k. b is what? 2k minus 1. So minus of 2k minus 1 divided by 2 into a is what? 1. This will be greater than k. Now multiply to this side. So it will be minus 2k plus 1 greater than twice k. Take this side. So it will be minus 4a plus 1 greater than 0. Now multiply by minus sign both sides. So it will be 4k minus 1 less than 0. So k will be what? Less than 1 by 4. This is the case of third answer. Now we have to take intersection between these three cases. That will be our answer. Take intersection between all these three cases. So first case is what? This is the first case, this is the second case, and this is the third case. Now take intersection. So this is 13 by 4, 13 by 4 to this one. This is the first case answer, and this is the second case. So 2 will be here and minus 3 by 4 it will be here. Let's say minus 3 by 4 here. Answer for this one will be what? Minus infinity to minus 3 by 4 and then 3 and then 2 to infinity. So 2 to infinity. So this is the second part. This is the second part answer. Now next one is k less than 1 by 4. 1 by 4 will lie in between here, let's say. So 1 by 4 will be here. So it is what? K less than 1 by 4. So this side. This is the third answer. Now we have to take intersection between all these three cases. Case 1, case 2, case 3. So here there are two lines present only, second and first. Not all three. So there is no intersection this side. Here there is no intersection. Here there is no intersection. Only intersection is what? This side. So answer will be what? Answer will be k less than minus 3 by 4. So this is our answer in this case. All three lines are present left side of k less than minus 3 by 4. So minus infinity to minus 3 by 4 is our answer. Now let's do one more definition. Case number third. Case 3. If both roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, if both roots of this or just simple case 3, if k lies between both roots of this is equal to 0, then find the condition. Then find condition. A, B, C are real numbers. A, B, C belongs to real numbers. K is also a real number. It is saying that k lies between both the roots of the equation. So if we draw the graph of a times fx versus x, then graph will be always upward, and in the question it is saying that k lies between both root. So which type of roots must be? K will be distinct or equal or imaginary. We know that between any two numbers, between two numbers, if any number lies in between the two numbers, then these two numbers must be distinct. So roots cannot be equal, and there is a roots, both roots. That means roots must be real, because it is saying that k lies between both the roots of the equation. So roots must be first of all real and distinct. So condition will be first. What will be the condition? First condition will be d must be greater than 0. D must be greater than 0, because between two distinct numbers there is a number which can lie. If two numbers are not distinct, then a third number cannot lie between the two numbers. In other words, we can say that a number k lies between two numbers, then the two numbers must be distinct. So d must be what? Greater than 0. That means, let's say this is alpha and this is beta, and k lies in between here. Then if we draw the graph between a times fx versus x, the graph will be like this one. So this alpha and beta should be distinct, d greater than 0. And second case will be what? At x equal to k, value of fx, that means a times fk will be always less than 0. So these are the two conditions. Solve these two conditions and take intersection. So only these are the two conditions. Solve and take intersection. Take intersection. So let's do some more question. Question is, if 2 lies between both roots of x square plus k minus 4 into x plus 2k minus 3 is equal to 0, find interval of k. Find interval of k. In the question it is saying that 2 is a number which lies between both the roots of this equation. Then we have to find interval of k which it lies. So what are the conditions? So I told you two conditions. first condition was t greater than 0 and second condition was what? A times fk will be what? Less than 0. These two conditions we have to solve in this case. After solving, we have to take intersection. Now solve discriminant. So if we compare with ax square plus bx plus c, if we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then it will be what? A is equal to 1, b is equal to k minus 4 and c is equal to what? 2k minus 3. Now find out discriminant. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. B is what? K minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2k minus 3 greater than 0. Now expand this one. K square plus 16 minus 8k plus 12 greater than 0. That is what? K square minus 16k plus this what? 28 greater than 0. Now it can be written as what? Make perfect square. It can be written as k minus 8 whole square minus 8 square plus 28 greater than 0. So this is k minus 8 whole square and it will be what? 64, 28, 6 and it will be what? 3. So it is minus 36 greater than 0. So it will be k minus 8 whole square minus 6 square greater than 0. That means k minus 8 minus 6 in one bracket and k minus 8 plus 6 in another bracket. So this is k minus 14 into k minus 2 greater than 0. So answer will be what? Minus infinity to 2 union 14 to infinity. Now this is the first case answer. Now we have to solve the second case, this one. AFK must be less than 0. So A is what? A is 1 and FK, K is what here? K is equal to 2. It is given here. K lies in between the both the roots. So K is not this number. K is what? That number we have considered. You can take it as lambda also. You can take it as lambda. That means A times f of 2 must be what? Less than 0. Second definition was what? A times fk less than 0. So here k is what? 2. This k is different than this one. You can take lambda also. So A f2 will be less than 0. That f2 you can find out from here. Fx is what? X square plus k minus 4 into x plus 2k minus 3. So f2 will be what? 2 square plus 2 times k minus 4 plus 2k minus 3. That means 4 plus 2k minus 8 plus 2k minus 3. So this will be what? 4k minus 7. This will be minus 4, minus 3, minus 7. And this will be what? 4k minus 7. It will be less than 0. That means k will be less than 7 by 4. Now we have to take intersection between this and this. First and second part. So take intersection between these two. So what will be our answer? One is what? K is equal to 7 by 4, less than 7 by 4. And second is what? This is how much? 1 point something. This will be 2 and 14. 2 will be here and 14 will be here. So minus infinity to 2 and then 14 to infinity. So if we take intersection will be this one. So our answer will be what? Answer will be k belongs to minus infinity to 2. So this is our answer. Next condition is what? Now case 4 is we are doing some simple question right now. We will do some good questions later on. I am giving you the basic questions only on each theory. So next Next theory is what? Which one? We can discuss that. If both roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, let's do in next class, it will be better.